Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan lasagna. If you're enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We start with putting in a blender soaked nuts. They should soak for at least 8-9 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. I will use almonds, but it's best to use walnuts. Next are dried tomatoes. I dry them in the sun. Now spices: marjoram, oregano, black pepper, and uniodized salt. We also use some apple vinegar. Link how to make it is of course in the description below. Cold press oil. I will use linseed oil. We mix everything together. We put the mass in a bowl and we can start making tomato sauce. We put tomatoes in a blender. Soak seeds. Seeds should soak for at least 5-6 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. Dates also soaked for at least 2-3 hours till they get soft. Some garlic, lemon juice, cold pressed oil, spices like oregano, bazil. We mix everything together. We put the sauce in a bowl. Now we will make second sauce. We need some nuts, of course soaked. Again, it's best to use walnuts. Now some broccoli flowers. Half of the ripe avocado. Lemon juice. Some non-iodized salt. Yeast flakes. Some soaked sunflower seeds. We mix everything together. Now we take zucchini and a peeler or a knife. We peel it and cut very thin. We put slices in the bottom of a form. We put on it nuts layer and then tomato sauce. Again, zucchini layer and cheese. Link how to make it is of course in the description below. Then broccoli sauce. We repeat till we won't have ingredients. We have to leave lasagne for some hours so the zucchini will become soft, or put for a moment in a dehydrator. And it's ready! Bon appetit!